Welcome back to San Antonio Living. You know, the holidays are right around the corner, and you have to start now to look exactly how you want. Dr. Kimberly Finder can help you with all of those things at the Face and Body Place. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Denise, for having me this morning.
Now, before we talk about all the great services at the Face and Body Place, let's talk about a contest you recently had. You had a winner that won a $5,000 makeover, Gail Jackson. Now, what was she able to get through this makeover?
Well, Gail has had Botox. She's had a little bit of filler. She's had a couple of PicoSure treatments to refine her skin. And actually, recently, we've added Infinity to her package. We talked about that last month on the show, and she just had her first treatment, so it hasn't quite kicked in yet. But we brought a video that she wanted to share with your viewing audience.
Absolutely. Let's take a look.
I've really enjoyed this process. It's made me feel younger, look younger. People come up to me and say, "Oh my gosh, your face looks so good. What are you doing?" Of course, I lie and tell them nothing. But I like looking in the mirror and seeing the transformation. It's subtle, but it's there, and I like seeing that. That's the word I wanted, a revolutionary treatment. Without having to go under the knife, just watching what's happening to my face is wonderful. Staff at Dr. Finder's office is just wonderful. They can't do enough for you. They're very efficient. Everybody is just wonderful.
Those are such great words from Gail. She had such a great experience, which leads others to think, why not come to the Face and Body Place?
Yes.
And right now is the time to come if they want to get ready for the holidays. Now, what should they be preparing for if they want that perfect look in a few months?
Well, you're right. It's important to come in October if you want to be ready for the holidays. We have, almost no time before they'll be upon us. So I have patients that come to me sometimes and they'll say, my son or daughter, they're getting married in 2 weeks, a week. I have a reunion, I have an anniversary, so don't wait, don't delay. So when someone comes to see me this month, we'll make a plan and we'll decide what the timeline is to get the things done that meet their needs.
Now, Gail, she's such an interesting case because she had such great words. She started now, so by the holidays, she is going to look exactly how she wants to look.
Exactly.
That's great.
So when someone comes to see me, we do a very comprehensive consultation. So if I've never met that person before, we'll go over in the mirror, what are your goals? What would you like to achieve? For example, Botox, which is probably the most common procedure that is done aesthetically. Botox takes up to 2 or 3 weeks to be fully evident, so you don't want to wait and expect your Botox to be perfect for you if you have a party in a week or two. And my philosophy is one of natural. As Gail said, she wanted to look natural. She does. She's getting compliments without it looking obvious. And so when I do Botox, fillers, anything that we do, skin resurfacing, we want it to look very natural. And so it takes time to get that natural result without looking quickly overdone. So we'll set a timeline. Botox is something that you can do in October or early November and have plenty of time for the holidays. It lasts 3 to 4 months. It takes a couple of weeks to kick in, but it will last. You also don't want to have anything that might cause some bruising or swelling. Even though I'm very skilled at what I do and I try really hard not to create bruising or swelling, there is always going to be that risk. And so you want to give yourself plenty of time for fillers. And we want to gradually do fillers so that you don't look suddenly done and suddenly different.
Now, I love all of the things you talk about because it is so important as you age to also look natural, and it's almost like you're timeless, like you're not aging with the services that you provide. And that's why so many people see Gail and they ask her about what she's doing, and she's able to send them to you.
Exactly.
That's fantastic. So you have a special offer for our viewers, which is great. You're always doing so many things. Can you tell me a little bit about the October deal?
So if you come in October to make that plan, you will get 15% off of any of the services that we provide if you are new to us. So all of those living viewers out there, come in, make that plan. We'll decide whether it's Botox, fillers, some skin freshening with doing some peels, or even maybe doing the PicoSure that Gail mentioned. That has almost no downtime, so it's very easy to get some freshening from that in time for the holidays.
That's fantastic, and that's why it's so important. You see it right on your screen. It's the October deal, and that way, by the holidays, you're ready to go. You've gone through the whole process, and you're set.
Yes.
That's fantastic. And we also have another great deal, thanks to Dr. Kim Finder, which is a free consultation for the first 20 callers. That's so great. Thank you for doing that for our viewers.
Well, it's that $125 value, and when you come in, you'll get a very comprehensive discussion about exactly what is right for you. We'll tailor it to your needs and your goals.
And like you heard Gail saying how great your staff is. So once somebody comes in, they do get that just wonderful experience with you and with your staff to know exactly the process that they need to take.
That's our goal.
Perfect. Now you want to go see Dr. Kimberly Finder at the Face and Body Place. We'll give you all the information you need. It's right on your screen. Her location is 14855 Blanco Road in Suite 100. You can give them a call at 210-492-3200. Make sure to mention San Antonio Living. You'll get a chance to take care of all of those great deals they have for you. Visit KimberlyFinderMD.com, and of course you can find them on Facebook as well, Kimberly Finder MD.